Hi guys, welcome to my LORENTIX channel. Thanks to HiccPet, we have a new video. The first product is a PET ear rinse, and it will help you flushes, remove wax, eliminate itching, wounds, odors, irritations, and ear care. And also cleans and deodorizes, relieve ear infections, no alcohol, safe if leaked, and soft, flexible applicator. In the packaging come cotton swabs, the bottle with the liquid, the applicator, and information brochure to read. The directions to use are: apply 2 to 3 drops, gently massage for 30 seconds, allow your pet to shake, use cotton swabs to remove excess, don't rinse, and apply once a day or as needed. We are going to open the bottle. Let your dog smell the product to become familiar with it. Place the applicator that is silicone and flexible. I love it. I will take a cotton swab to put aside. Let your dog sniff the new product so in this way he loses his fear. And apply the product in both ears. Massage each ears and don't forget to reward only a good behavior. And with a cotton swab, remove the excess. The second product is an oral care spray. This cleans, deodorizes, antimicrobial, mouth ulcers, gum irritations. It also helps freshen breath, reduce oral bacteria and tartar, prevents periodontal disease, heals inflammation and bleeding gums. The directions to use are: lift lips on either side of mouth, spray 2 to 3 pumps daily onto teeth and gums. Don't let your pet eat or drink for 1 hour after use. In the packaging come the brochure, the applicator, and the bottle. Don't forget to let your dog sniff. Place the applicator. In my case, first I place a little on my napkin so I know what it smells like. Then follow the directions to use, and finally celebrate your dog's good behavior. Guys, I hope you like this video. All information about HiccPet will be below in my description box. Subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and follow me on my social media. See you next time. Bye-bye.